Welcome back. In this 10th section of our course, we're going to dive into navigation in React Native. At the heart of any mobile application is navigation. It's the mechanism that allows users to move across different screens, access features, and generally use your app effectively. In React Native, a go-to solution for handling navigation is the React Navigation Library. It's worth mentioning that Expo has its own built-in routing feature, but it is exclusive to Expo projects. On the other hand, React Navigation works both with and without Expo in React Native apps. We will explore Expo's router in a later section of this series and focus on React Navigation in this section. React Navigation provides a variety of navigators like stack, drawer, and tab navigators. Stack navigators provide a way for your app to transition between screens where each new screen is placed on top of a stack. Drawer navigator renders a navigation drawer on the side of the screen, which can be opened and closed via gestures. A tab navigator at the bottom of your screen lets you easily switch between different routes. We will look at examples of all three. For this section, I have set up a new Expo project called RN Navigation. If you wish to code along, create a similar project using the command npx create-expo-app rn navigation. In this project folder, we're going to install React Navigation as a dependency. You can find the command in the React Navigation docs on the Getting Started page. Copy the command, npm install at React Navigation/native and run it in your terminal. We will also install two dependencies: React Native Screens and React Native Safe Area Context. Copy the command and paste it in your project folder. Finally, to work with React Navigation, we need a wrapping component for the whole app. And that is the navigation container component. You can go back to the docs, scroll down to the section on navigation container, copy the code, and paste it in app.tsx. We don't really need to import React. The rest of the code we will write in this section will go in between the opening and closing tags of navigation container. Alright, join me in the next video where we will kick things off by setting up stack navigation in our React Native app. I'll see you in the next one.